JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.
The 10 Outstanding Young Indian program of JCI India, better known as TOEI program, is an offshoot of the 10 Outstanding Young Persons of the World TOYP program organized by Junior Chamber International. The 10 Outstanding Young Persons of the World program of Junior Chamber International serves to formally recognize young people who excel in their chosen fields and exemplify the best attributes. Recognizing these young people, JCI encourages them to seek excellence and serve others. Thus, JCI contributes to prepare better leaders who will create better societies. The TOEI program in India started in 1976. Honorees selected in past years have represented the heights of progress in numerous human endeavors. Many have gone on to even greater achievements. All have continued to serve humanity in great variety of ways. The 10 categories in which these young people between the ages of 18 to 40 years are honored are 1. Business, economic and/or entrepreneurial accomplishment. 2. Political, legal or governmental affairs. 3. Academic leadership or accomplishment. 4. Cultural achievement. 5. Moral or environmental leadership. 6. Contribution to children, world peace or human rights. 7. Humanitarian or voluntary leadership. 8. Scientific or technological development. 9. Personal improvement or accomplishment. 10. Medical innovation. After the TOEI program, JCI India will send the honorees nomination to Junior Chamber International. JCI receives nominations from various countries. For all the nominations received by JCI, 10 most deserving honorees will be honored at the 10 Outstanding Young People of the World program at JCI World Congress in 2011 at Brussels, Belgium. Following are few past prominent honorees at the international level. All of them were honored before they attained the age of 40. John F. Kennedy, USA, for Political, Legal or Government Affairs. Richard Nixon, USA, Political, Legal or Government Affairs. Gerald Ford, USA, Political, Legal, Government Affairs. Bill Clinton, USA, Political, Legal, Government Affairs. Christopher Reeve, USA, Personal Improvement or Accomplishment. Elvis Presley, USA, Personal Improvement and Accomplishment. Henry Ford II, USA, Business, Economic or Entrepreneurial Accomplishment. Jackie Chan, Hong Kong, Cultural Achievement. Dr. Ashwini Kumar, India, Scientific or Technological Development. Dr. Gifty Emmanuel, India, Medical Innovation. Dr. Akseli Heminsky, Finland, Medical Innovation. Her Majesty Queen Rania Al Abdullah II of Jordan for Humanitarian or Voluntary Leadership. Following are few past prominent honorees of the 10 Outstanding Young Indian program. All of them were honored before they attained the age of 40. Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, Pankaj Udas, Remo Fernandez, Malika Sarabhai, P.T. Usha, Kapil Dev, Dr. Ram Adar Joseph, Geet Sethi, Anju Bobby George, Dr. Koshi Eappan. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to honor the 10 Outstanding Young Indians for the year 2010. Have a great evening.
JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.